If you want to change app permissions on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we want to scroll down and we want to choose Security and Privacy. Over here in Security and Privacy, we should be able to proceed to More Privacy Settings, and then here we have the Permission Manager. Then we should be able to find the list of all permissions that we have on this phone, so you should be able to tap on any of these permissions, and then you should be able to decide if you want to allow a specific app to use that permission or not. Of course, we can scroll down in order to also see the list of apps that are not allowed. And another way to manage app permissions, instead of going to Security and Privacy, you can go to App Settings instead. Then in here, you can go to any of these apps and you can find permissions option in here as well. So then you can choose a permission and then you can decide if it should be allowed or not. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.